ladies and gentlemen. This is not the average behavior of content creators. You and I know that you are not gentle. We know that you are not quiet. We know that you are not normal. But because you are seeing brands, you are seeing sponsors, you are seeing very corporate people, you are now crossing your leg. You are now pretending. But we see you on TikTok. And when I say you are not normal, I'm part of you. After all, the other day I was at Lege when I went to dance Cherry Vibes on top of the bus. What my eyes see on that day, my mouth cannot tell. But most importantly, can we please put our hands together for one another? You guys look amazing. You look amazing. Wow. Our chairman is in front, the Lege, standing and sitting on all protocol. When you see a red cap, it can only be one person. Welcome, and thank you for joining us tonight. One more time, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I see another building, aka content. This year, I'm super delighted to be your audacious host for the second time. Please put your hands together for me. This is the third edition of Trend of Awards Africa. It's the first award ever recognizing content makers and influencers. Now you see, tonight is all about giving you guys your flowers, content creators and brand influencers. Appreciate yourselves and give yourselves another round of applause. Tonight, we will be awarding 16 categories that had loads of nominees, 96 well-deserving nominees. Please put your hands together for all the nominees in the house. And of course, we give our sincere appreciation to the judges as well. Put your hands together for the judges. No, don't clap, don't clap. Let us wait until we hear the results so that we know whether the mandate was stolen or indeed the mandate is ours. But regardless, we appreciate our judges. All winners tonight have been judged on 3 basic criteria. And I want us to pay attention before you start hashtag and begin to find yourself on Instagram. These are the criteria for judging. First is creativity, but some of you can relate because your creativity is gradually moving into crazitivity, but we love it. Second, we have engagement. And finally, which is most important, is consistency. We appreciate the effort that creators have been putting into their work over the years, and of course, we love to celebrate that. So, ladies and gentlemen, shall we? You release the tension. Release the tension. We're going to have 16 winners tonight, and you might just be one of the lucky winners. So, are we ready? Shall we? And now we move on to the first category for the evening, which is the category for Force of Virality. And to present this award, please put your hands together as I welcome on stage Busola Tejumola, Executive Head, Content and Channels West Africa, Multi-Choice West Africa, and VJ Adams, Creative Solutionist, aka Ibro. Please put your hands together for our award presenters.
We're here to present the award for the Force of Virality, and the nominees are
Force of Virality. Influencer or content creator who has mastered the art of making lasting impressions with content that commands highest number of reposts, likes, shares, and talkability. The nominees are Portable Baby, and The Honest Bunch Podcast, Kata Ife, @Papaya_X, DJ Obi on Deck, Lege Miami.
Lege, Miami.
We honor the remarkable talent of Adams KB, aka Lege Miami, a force to be reckoned with in the world of entertainment, excelling in a multi-faced Hollywood actor, singer, movie producer, and director. Lege Miami is a true powerhouse, constantly pushing boundaries and redefining what it means to be a multi-talented entertainer. Congratulations, Lege Miami, on this well-deserved recognition.
Anyway, first of all, I want to thank Trend Up Award. Thank you very much. God bless you. And this particular award, sorry for the bad English. My English is somehow, but just take it like that, and you will understand where I'm going to. Alright. I dedicate this award to my daughter, Missy Adams, and my son, Ademide David, and my all singles, and Brother is here, Femi Thomas, and my manager, Bidemi. God bless everyone of us.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, beautiful, wonderful people. This is the Emerging Force category, proudly supported by Kie Kie, and the nominees are
Emerging Forces, content creators and influencers who are the next rated on social media. The nominees are at Lavi Wasabi, at J_on_air, at Rita Sophie, at Salon Kangi, at Amike's Sugar, at Ina Craze.
And the winner is Lai Wasabi.
We stand in awe of the emerging force in the world of content creation and escape-making talent. None other than Isaac Ayoke Olayola, aka Lai Wasabi. Tonight we celebrate his remarkable talent and groundbreaking work that has captured the hearts and mind of audiences far and wide. Congratulations to a well-deserved recognition. And may your star continue to shine bright as you captivate the world with your creativity. A round of applause.
I want to appreciate Trend Up for this lovely initiative. I mean, I'm short of words. I want to appreciate my best friend, Tony. I want to appreciate my manager, Penza. My closest friends as well, Olashubomi, Aquila. I love you guys so much. All the long talks, all the long conversations we've had on the phone and physical, and I'm happy that it's amounting to something. Emerging Force is the right word to put it in. Be prepared. Lions is here. Thank you.
Of the public in engaging ways. The nominees are at Africo_Doctor, at Helen Fitness, at Gallery of an Asia Girl, at GboahTv, at D_Olushola, at the Amazing Naija Pediatrician. extraordinary achievements of Dr. Chinonso Ikemba, aka Afro Doctor, a true force of wellness in the world of healthcare and content creation. Let's welcome and congratulate Afro Doctor. A round of applause.
I think we'll see what life was having first. First of all, I want to say thank you to Turn Up Awards for this. It's wonderful to be recognized as a force of wellness for the third time. Thank you very much. I dedicate this award to my wonderful wife. She's here for her support so far, making this possible, and the team behind what we do. And I hope you're drinking water while you sing this. Everyone.
Force of tech content. Influencers and content creators who have found a way to communicate technological leaps and information in easily digestible and audible ways through content. The nominees are at Victor Praise Tech, at Valerie Views, at New Kid, at Black of Lagos, at Kevin Tech, at Rocky Isiolu.
And the winner is
Join us in celebrating the exceptional achievements of Olakapo Ogunsoya Shego, widely known and admired as Navigator. Navig's YouTube channel serves as a digital hub where he effortlessly provides his technology and his expertise with activating on-school presence. Congratulations to Packet Tech on this well-deserved recognition.
okay. So I was actually just saying how I didn't have a speech prepared because I wasn't expecting to win. This is a huge surprise. Thank you so much, Colonel. I am so grateful. I have no speech prepared, but just thank you. I am grateful.